Dipansh video time. In this video, we are going to be continuing episode 2, Zombies, of the Zombie Shooter series. This is episode 3, High Scores. So, this is what we have gone through in the last episode. We created zombies. Yeah, we created zombies. Zombies! Yay! So, we created zombies. In this video, we are going to be creating high scores. Okay, firstly, we can create a new sprite. So, we can paint a sprite. But in that sprite, we don't want anything. I'm going to name the new sprite settings. This is where all our main settings will be. Next thing we can do is create a variable and call it time lived for all sprites. And another high score variable, time lived. Now, how to set it in a cloud variable? We don't want to just put it and do extensive coding about going to the username. If it is not the username, then if the time lived is this and this and this, it's going to be too much. But luckily, Scratch already has a solution. We can click on the cloud variable button below and click OK. This will put it as a number for that everyone can see. It won't change for another person. So this is our high scores. Now what we can do is add simple coding. When green flag clicked, set time lived to 0, but make sure it's not high score, okay? So set time lived to 0 forever. Change time lived by 1 and wait 1 second. As you can see that every second time lived is changing. So as you can see, I have played for 20 seconds now and it is showing 20 on the screen. This ensures that our time lived variable is working. So now let's look at the next step. Okay, so now let's create our high score. First, I'll put if we have to put this. So if time lived is greater than high score, then change high score by 1. If we do it right over here, see that our high score is something like this and it will change. But the high score will be the same when I log in again. And if I play for greater than 5 seconds, then you can see that high score is matching with our time lived. But there's a problem. See that when the high score is going to get greater than 12, just see, wait a second. I'm going to set high score time lived to 0. As you can see that it is being slow 1 second. And that is because you're putting it after the wait 1 second. If we put it to before the wait 1 second, then we check the code. See that now those high score variables are changing at the same time. Now this ensures that we have created high scores in our game. So, I hope you like this tutorial of high scores. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, Dipansh video time is out.